Hi guys, welcome to DIY Solutions UK. Today I have a Toyota key. This model has two buttons, and I'm going to tell you how to replace the battery on this one. See, you need this flathead screwdriver, and if you're gonna see here, that's a V-lip. So place this screwdriver inside there, turn it clockwise or anti-clockwise, and as you can see, this back cover came off. Use this screwdriver here and pull it. It's gonna come out. Guys, we have a module here. We're just gonna place the screwdriver here. We can use our nails. If we're gonna use nails here, it's gonna come off. And thus battery we have in this one is a CR20116. And see, if you have a small screwdriver, just place it here and put the wee bit pressure, and it's gonna come out. That's a battery. Take the old battery out and get the new battery. Just try to put it back there like this. That's installed now. And now we're going to do just see this shape, and that back cover, align it here, just press it down, make sure all the locks go in a proper places, and just put it back there. There you go, back cover back on. And as soon you hear the click sound, that's when it's closed. See guys, if you think my videos are helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like it and share it. Thank you.